Just Asrock and French Avenue Liquid Brew. Yan ang pagko-combine natin for tonight's video. And this is actually a suggestion coming from one of our viewers. So sabi niya, go ahead and try Invictus Elixir and Liquid Brew and see if you would like it. Now, yun nga, thankfully meron tayong dupe ni Invictus Victory Elixir, which is Just Asrock, and meron din tayong Liquid Brew. So let's go ahead and try it out and see kung okay ba ang suggestion ng ating viewer. And let's go. As you guys are aware of, si Liquid Brew, ang kanyang scent profile is more on vanilla, bergamot, and I think meron din siyang, if I'm not mistaken, cinnamon. Okay, and then si Invictus Victory Elixir is perfume with lavender and as well as vanilla yung kanyang amoy. So let's go ahead and check kung maganda ba yung kanilang combination. I'm guessing it's gonna be as it's suggested by our viewer. Grabe, ang lakas talaga. Ang lakas talaga ni Liquid Brew. Pagka-spray ko pa lang, para ako kumain ng vanilla and as well as cinnamon, bergamot. Parang nakain ko siya. Okay. Dalawang spray din tayo na Just Asrock. Tama nga. Sabi, lavender, bergamot, vanilla, patchouli. Ganda ng combination. Black pepper. Yan. Naamoy natin. This is definitely a perfume na you can use for your special nights. If you're gonna go with your special someone on a date night, formal events, this is something that I would recommend for you to try on. Kakaibang combination. Thank you, viewer, for suggesting this perfume combination. So, yun. Ang ganda. Thank you so much. Highly recommended. I think I'd rate this as a perfume combination 8.5 out of 10. I'll definitely go ahead and try this on date nights with my wife. Okay, so that's it. If you have any other suggestions of perfumes that I probably own and you think it's going to be a good combination, let me know. I'll make sure to try it out. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.